Hey guys, welcome back, and welcome if you're new. I'm glad that you're here, and I really hope that you stick around. Today's video is just a super quick DIY evergreen bouquet, and I picked this bushel or little batch of evergreen and berry mix up from Home Depot for $6, and I decided to make kind of like a floral arrangement out of it, and I put it in this Hearth and Hand pitcher from Target. And I think it turned out super cute. I love how it looks. And if you guys just watch what I do, you will learn how to do it for yourself. At this point, I felt like it was missing something, so I decided to add these picks that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I feel like it did just the trick. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'm glad that you stuck around, and if you haven't already, hit that red button and subscribe, hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I post a new video, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one.